Okay, today's explosion is gonna be the cab driver buses. Now this is gonna be really, really big, as you saw in the video with the really big explosion that had like 9 buses in it. But this one's not gonna be as big. Let's get like a... Okay, I gotta reload my gun. Let's get like an angle like this. That sounds like a good idea. This is gonna take forever though, because like the buses have. I am waiting for this to explode. For the cars. I'm not going to be able to do like the car job vehicles, like the Secret Service car. Also, I'm doing like Humvees or hypercars because those cost way too much and. Like, if I did it, it's gonna cost like 50K to get like any of it done. So that's why I don't think I'm gonna be doing any of those ones because it's gonna cost me way too much. Even though, as you can see, well, I don't have that much. Like, this just cost me about like 50. Oh wait, it didn't even explode one of the buses. Oh, not my fault. It didn't even explode one of the buses. That's disappointing. I don't want this bus. It's ugly and it sucks. I hate it. I wasn't even paying attention. Looking at my other screen. Woohoo! Oh man, that was big. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.